everybody, it's Mindy. I want to show you a couple of things. Every once in a while, I'm feeling good. I might want to be on camera and kind of show you what I look like again, Anyhow, today's one of those days. I went to lunch, I kind of did my hair, I did some things. So today's a good day to show you what I look like. Anyhow, I have some paintings here. Who are they from? They're from FGNORMAL. And I just wanted to give you a little preview here real quick. I have some friends with me, and I want you to see my friends. Look at my friend. Look at my little friend. Isn't she cute? She's adorable. She has another friend, though, too. Let me show you this one real quick. Look at this one. Are you ready? Look at. Okay, yeah, I kind of went crazy. Owls are kind of like my thing lately, and I've gotten a whole bunch of owls lately. But I don't have just owls. I have some other things to show you, too. So come along, and I'll show you everything else I got from FGNORMAL. This is part one of an FGNORMAL order. I have another order on the way for a second video. So this is part one. Come fly with me. Come fly with me. Are you ready? Let's go see them. There we go. And we're here with my little friends. Okay, we're going to show you this one first. I've seen this one a few times, and I was like, yes, please. I have to have this one. Isn't it just the cutest thing? It's all this teal and pretty colors and flowers in our top of our head. I was going to say our hair, but owls don't have hair up in our feathers. I think it's just adorable. There are absolutely no drills in this face at all. The beak, the eyes, none of that gets any drills. There's no drills on this part right here either, but the rest of it gets some drills. It's special drills, so rhinestones and some special shapes are going to be in this. I'm sorry it's so crinkly and wanting to just reflect on. There we go. There's a good picture of it. There we go. Isn't it cute? There's 13 different drills on this, and I loved this part. I think this breast here is going to just turn out just gorgeous. I can hardly wait to see what drills are on here. As you can tell, there's lots of specials. There's specials down here in these leaves, here on the flowers, all of this, of course, and there's some up here in these flowers as well. I think it's just adorable. Let's look at the drills, okay? Let's see what we get. All right, here we go. Rhinestones first. Rhinestones are up. So we have an orange. That's a green. It's a different green. That's really pretty. This one's more teal. A pink. That's gorgeous. That is beautiful. I told you I love the colors in this. A golden yellow, a blue, a very, very pale yellow. That is a brown. And then here are our specials. So we have these beautiful smooth pink marquee. We have faceted AB clear marquee. Some faceted blue. And then we have these teardrops. Love it. Just love how pretty that's going to be, right? I mean, I am hooked on owls. Hooked on owls. I have owls that live here. And I hear them all the time. I get lucky sometimes to actually see them in the trees, and I can catch them on camera, which is always cool to do. So I'm kind of a little obsessed. I'm a little owl obsessed. But look at this cutie. Look at that cutie. Isn't it something? I like how we have an E here for the nose. Is that an E? Interesting. It is an E, but that's backwards. Oh, and the C's are backwards. Okay. All right. Some of our lettering is backwards. Interesting. But look at all the specials on this one. We have the C, the A, the D, more C's and D's down here. We got that big E for the nose. How cute. That one has 12. And this one, okay, this one came in a series. The other owl dude, I think he was kind of by himself or herself. I don't know. But these kind of came in a set. There were several that were very similar to this. They're a little smaller, and they all had a lot of flowers. They came to different colors. This one tended to be more purples, is what I thought. So that's why I picked this one. But they were all super, super cute. So let's look at our rhinestones. A really pretty lime green, a blue, a purple, a pink, an orange, a brown. Then we have these beauties right here, these faceted blue marquee. Those are super pretty. Love these. Oh my gosh, I love these. Like pearly teardrops, purple. I love them. I love this drill in particular. Any color it comes in, I love it. Then we have some pretty green faceted marquees, purple faceted marquees. Here's our nose right there, big old beak right there, honk. And then we have some white pearl. Nope, they're faceted. They are faceted. They're not completely smooth. So some white ABs. Love it. Okay, that's my owl friends, you guys. My owl friends. What do you think? I love them. I've done one owl. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just wonked you all over the place. I have done one owl so far for Smashing the Specials, but there are more to come. More to come. So this was unique. And again, there was a set of these, and they were a little different, yet similar. You know what I'm saying? So this is a dream catcher. Big old sunflower in the center and a couple other sunflowers and then the feathers. This one has 8 different drills for it. Lots of specials. Look at all the 7s and the 8s. There's a bunch of special drills. Love that. I think the colors on this one are going to be beautiful. Nothing like some teal against the yellow of the sunflowers to make this just really pretty. All right, what do we have? Here we go. Okay. So we're going to have some brown colors, some brown shades, golden yellow, orange, a light tannish color, peach, clear, and then we have shards. Love that. So that's going to make these petals in the sunflower here, right? They're going to be so pretty. Then look at those pretty blue ones, and then more petal action for the sunflowers here. Love it. Love that. That's an interesting color palette. The browns, the yellows with the blue. Love it. Love it. So like I said, there were several options here. They were all just slightly different. Pick the one you like, right? Okay, I'm going to show you this. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I'm going to let them know about this. So this is one of my new obsessions. And this is how it comes packaged, just in this little clear bag. Unfortunately, it broke. So he is broken right here. See? Broken. Now, I don't know if I could fix it with some glue and you wouldn't be able to tell, but I'm certainly going to let them know that it came broken. I think these would benefit coming in at least like a bubble sleeve, something with a little more protection than this. The first 2 I got from another company came perfectly fine, but I can see how easily it would be for these to break and transport and snap. And I'm really disappointed that this one is broken because I think it is going to be super cute. I'll show it to you. I could possibly fix it. I'm going to check it out and see if I have some glue that would possibly work on that. And if it works, I'll complete it. I'm still going to let them know that it came broken. Here's our chain and one hook. I know there's another hook here because I've already been in this. Where'd the other hook go? Maybe there isn't another hook. I don't know. I thought I saw both hooks, but I only see one. So that's a problem as well. I've only got one of the little hooks. Yeah, and oh, it's right there. It is there. It was stuck to the drills. Okay, let's look at the drills. I'm really in love with these, and of course I want all of them for every single month. This is the 3rd one I've gotten. Not the last one I've ordered, though. I've already ordered more. I haven't ordered all 12 yet, though. All right, there's a clear and an orange, a very vibrant red. There's the smooth pearls, lime green, golden yellow. I have a peachy color and another red. Oh, goodness. Look what it has. Oh, it has flowers. I love the flowers. So I'm going to assume those are the A's. Yep. So where you see the A on all of this gets those flowers. I love that. Then we have some larger gold, some red marquee, some clear, but they're looking real purple to me. And we have these crystal on the bottom, gold on the top marquees. Those are always interesting. So that's the November gnome hanging, and I'm so sad. I'm so sad that it's broken. Anyhow, we'll let them know. I need to email him right after this and let him know. I'll put that in there so I don't lose it in transport here. All right, I have one more item to show you, which is really unique. It's really unique, and it's different for me. I'm not a huge Halloween fan, but this one doesn't scream Halloween to me, although it has some skulls. And I don't really like skulls, but they're not creepy. They're not creepy skulls. We got this cute, cute little ghost here, and just the faces of those flowers are skulls, and I thought they were just cute. Like I said, this was a stretch for me. This was really out of my comfort zone, but it's all purple, right? And I just liked it. The pumpkin is a teapot. It was unique and it's cute. It only has 10 different shapes. I'm going to show you what those are, but I really liked that one, right? I thought it was super cute. All right, here we go. What do we get? What are our 10 different drills? So we have some beautiful teal to start with. Teal, a light purple, a blue. Wow, that's a lot of blue. Didn't realize there'd be that much blue in it. And clear, and a little bit of black. One more purple. So it's purple, teal, and blue. There they go. Purple, teal, and blue, right? And that little bit of black for the face. Then we have these gorgeous ones. They're purple, faceted marquee. We have a few large black rounds. Oh yeah, that's going to be like maybe eyes and nose and things like that. Look at those pretty little purple marquee. Those are gorgeous. And some pink ones. I love it. So I thought the color palette and that was just fun. It's unique. It's different. It wasn't creepy. It wasn't too over the top, you know, skeleton-y, whatever. I liked it. Okay, so there's that. And then, of course, all of my other goodies that I got and my owl friends. I love my owls. Love, love, love the owls. I think they're just adorable, right? I'm going to get more owls. I really am. I'm going to get more owls. Can you ever have too many owls? I don't think so. Anyhow, this is part one, like I said, of FG Normal. I will link everything below so that you can check them out and see if there's something that you would like. I'll email him on this and just say, hey, it came broken, you know. They'll probably send me a new one. They haven't sent that second order yet. I placed the order and they've only sent the first half. So he could easily throw that one in, a replacement for that probably. But let him know. It came broken and, you know, it probably needed a little bit better packaging. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you come back. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe button, all those good things so that you can come back and see more videos. And everybody who's returning, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. I hope you enjoyed. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day and happy diamond painting. There you go.